Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at a comparison between Luma AI and NightCafe. Now, Luma AI and NightCafe caters to vastly different creative needs. Luma AI is a professional grade specialized engine for high fidelity generative video and 3D modeling, while NightCafe is a community driven aggregator for AI image arts, hosting hundreds of different models under one roof. Let's go into the comparison proper. When it comes to their primary outputs, like I said earlier, Luma AI gives you high fidelity video and 3D capture, while NightCafe gives you static 2D art and avatars. When it comes to model strategy, Luma AI uses proprietary foundation models like Ray 3 and Photon, while NightCafe uses aggregators like Flux, Stable Diffusion, Del 3. When it comes to video quality, Luma AI gives you 4K HDR, 16-bit color for studio pipelines, while NightCafe gives you basic short clip animations from image models. When it comes to their key strengths, Luma AI has physics-accurate motion and scene reasoning, while NightCafe has social, community, daily challenges, and gamification. When it comes to the control level, Luma AI gives you precise director tools like camera movement and keyframes, while NightCafe gives you prompt-based control with vast artistic style and options. When it comes to availability, Luma AI is available on web, iOS app, and professional API, while NightCafe is available for web and mobile optimized web platform. Lastly, who are the target audience? Target audience for Luma AI is professional filmmakers, and we actually more than professional filmmakers. If you're a professional filmmaker, you're a VFX artist or a 3D designer, then you're the target audience for Luma AI. What about for NightCafe? If you're a digital artist, a hobbyist, and a social creator, then that is the best. Then the best thing for you is NightCafe. So you see, another little thing, we can see the key strengths of Luma is direct control and high-end 3D. Part of NightCafe is that it's an everything app. Instead of one model, it offers hundreds of AI image models like Flux, Nano Banana, and Seed Rim in one interface. And then it has a community and rewards that feature a unique credit-based system where users can earn free generations by participating in daily art challenges and voting on community submissions. And when it comes to their price, the Luma AI starts at $9.99 per month for the lead plan, but it has watermarked videos, while NightCafe has a highly flexible credit pack that starts from $4.79 with pro subscriptions from $5.99 per month, and it remains one of the most budget-friendly platforms due to its free daily credit rewards. Hope you found this video helpful.